A motorized bicycle is a type of two-wheeled vehicle that combines a traditional bicycle with a small engine. The engine is typically located in the center or rear of the bicycle and provides power to propel the vehicle forward. Motorized bicycles are often used as a convenient and cost-effective means of transportation, especially in urban areas. The engine used in a motorized bicycle is usually a small combustion engine or an electric motor. Combustion engines may run on gasoline or a mixture of gasoline and oil, while electric motors are powered by a rechargeable battery. These engines are relatively small in size, making them lightweight and easy to handle. To operate a motorized bicycle, the rider must pedal the pedals to start the engine. Once the engine is running, the rider can choose to continue pedaling or rely solely on the engine for propulsion. Some motorized bicycles are equipped with a throttle that allows the rider to control the speed without pedaling. Motorized Bic. A moped is a two-wheeled motorized vehicle that falls under the category of motorcycles. It is designed for low-speed urban travel and is equipped with an engine typically ranging from 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters, giving it limited power compared to larger motorcycles. Mopeds are a popular mode of transportation due to their affordability, fuel efficiency, and ease of use. They are commonly used for short-distance commuting or recreational purposes in many countries. To operate a moped, a valid driver's license or specific moped license is usually required. Mopeds typically have smaller wheels and a step-through frame design, making them easier to mount and dismount compared to other motorcycles. They are equipped with pedals, allowing the rider to assist the engine when starting from a standstill or climbing uphill. This unique feature also grants mopeds certain legal advantages, such as being classified as bicycles in some jurisdictions. Many mopeds have limited top speeds, often capped at 30 to 4. A motorized bike, also known as a motorbike or a motorcycles, is a two-wheeled vehicle powered by an engine. Unlike bicycles that require human effort to move forward, motorized bikes have an internal combustion engine or an electric motor that propels them. These engines convert fuel or electricity into mechanical energy to set the wheels in motion. Motorized bikes offer several advantages over traditional bicycles. First, they provide an easier and faster mode of transportation, allowing riders to cover longer distances in a shorter amount of time. This makes them suitable for commuting or traveling on hilly terrains. Additionally, motorized bikes are eco-friendly alternatives to cars or motorcycles, producing fewer emissions and consuming less fuel. There are various types of motorized bikes available, including mopeds, scooters, and motorcycles. Mopeds have small engines and limited speed, making them suitable for short trips. Scooters, on the other hand, have larger engines and a motorized bicycle with dual pivot brakes is a unique and efficient mode of transportation. Dual pivot brakes are a type of caliper brake commonly found on road bikes, and they offer improved braking power and modulation compared to other. Hirockn Shop offers a wide range of products for adventure seekers. Whether you're an avid scuba diver, a beachgoer, or someone who enjoys collecting unique items, we have something for everyone. First, let's talk about our scuba diving glasses. Designed with high-quality materials, these glasses provide clear vision underwater, allowing you to explore the magnificent marine life with ease and comfort. If you're worried about keeping your belongings dry, our waterproof bag is a must-have. No matter where you go, be it a day at the beach or a hike through the rainforest, this bag will keep your essentials safe from water damage. For the car enthusiasts, we have a collection of Hot Wheels that will surely excite you. These miniature cars are not just for kids, but also for the young at heart, who appreciate the beauty of these meticulously designed vehicles. Need a new addition to your wardrobe? Our t-shirts come in various designs and sizes, ensuring you'll find one that suits your ass. Hirockn Shop offers a wide range of products for adventure seekers. Whether you're an avid scuba diver, a beachgoer, or someone who enjoys collecting unique items, we have something for everyone. First, let's talk about our scuba diving glasses. Designed with high-quality materials, these glasses provide clear vision underwater.